Want to switch to T-Mobile but keep your Spectrum phone number? It's called porting, and it's your legal right. This section covers the basics. First, ensure your Spectrum account is active, in good standing with no outstanding balances, and not locked due to fraud. Next, you'll need a porting authorization code, PAC, or PIN from Spectrum, good for 30 days. You can get this through Spectrum's app, website, or by calling 1-800-314-7195. Treat this PIN like a password. Finally, contact T-Mobile to start the port, providing the Spectrum PIN, account details, and device info. Keep in mind that porting only transfers your number, not your data plan. Be ready to set that up separately. While porting typically takes 1 to 3 business days for postpaid accounts and up to 7 days for prepaid, there are ways to speed this up. eSIMs can speed things up significantly, especially on newer phones like iPhone 15 models. T-Mobile's app can help estimate the timeline. Common issues include incorrect PIN entry or older phone incompatibility, but this can be avoided by being careful and doing your research. Make sure to avoid any changes or disruptions to your Spectrum account during the porting process. New measures, such as blockchain-based PIN verification, are being tested to reduce fraud. Experts emphasize that the PIN is your best defense. In 2025, 85% of port requests succeed on the first try, so being prepared increases your chances of a smooth transition.